The Exciting Expedition of Eager E. A story by Teacher Bree. In the wondrous world of Alphabetia, where letters frolic and words come alive, there lived an enthusiastic letter, Eager E. One sunny day, filled with excitement, Eager E decided to embark on an extraordinary expedition through an enchanted area. As Eager Eve ventured forward, it encountered something so enormous it cast a shadow on Eager E. Yikes! Should E be scared? There stood Ellie the elephant. E is for elephant, a very large and quite enormous animal. In fact, it's the largest living land animal. Ellie greeted Eager E with a trumpet of joy and invited E to join her on a fun journey. With a skip in its step, Eager E followed Ellie's lead, marveling at the sound Ellie could make. Suddenly, Eager E heard another amazing sound from above. A majestic eagle soared overhead, its keen eyes scanning the forest below. E is for eagle, a large bird of prey, and their eyesight is around 5 times better than humans. Eager E waved excitedly at the eagle, who swooped down to say hello. Together, they soared through the sky, exploring the forest from above. As they flew high above the trees, Eager E spotted a cozy nest among the branches of the towering tree. Inside were some precious eggs. E is for egg, a hard shell that can hatch, and then you have a chick. It's also a very delicious food to eat that's full of protein. Eager E watched in awe as the little egg began to crack, and out came a tiny chick. What an amazing sight! Eager E wanted to go higher and higher. E wanted to see the whole world from up above, but for that, E needed to fly out into space. So, Eager E hitched a ride into space, soaring past the clouds, looking down in amazement. There it is, the whole world. E is for Earth, the name we call the planet we live on. There's actually many planets out in space. Eager E marveled at how small our Earth really was out here in space, but E had to get back home to Earth. Eager E's journey continued deep inside a mysterious cave in the mountains. E entered the very dark cave and could no longer see. But wait, what is that? Yikes! E is for eyes, the things on our body we use to see. Eager E couldn't see anything except many eyes staring at it. It was time for E to get out of there. But how? Oh, wait! That over there! That may be the way out. E is for exit, the way to get out of a place. Phew! Eager E was a tiny bit frightened and eager to get back outside where the sun was shining. Eager E emerged out of the cave where the sun was starting to set, casting a warm golden glow over the forest. Eager E could hear a loud rhythmic chug, 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 chug in the distance. E is for engine, a machine that converts fuel to energy. We also call it a train, and it takes us from one place to another. Eager E came across a mighty red engine chugging along. Eager E hopped on and was headed for home. Although Eager E is eager to keep exploring, it was getting late and its adventure had to come to an end for today. Tomorrow, Eager E could go out again and find more E words in the magical land of Alphabetia. Whether climbing mountains, diving into oceans, or discovering new things, Eager E learned to embrace the excitement that comes with each new expedition. Eager E couldn't help but smile, knowing that there were countless more expeditions waiting in the magical world of Alphabetia. E is for expedition, a journey by a group of people for a specific purpose, to explore a distant place or to do research. Eager E was so tired, and the only thing it wanted to explore now was its bed. The end.